morning, everyone. Well, my car wouldn't start, so I get to do another layout. But you won't see it until, well, tomorrow, but it's today. Okay, so anyhow, we are going through the rainbow, and this is the last day of Through the Rainbow. And, well, it's not the last day, it's the last month, because people can do it anytime during the week that they're signed up for. And so anyway, the theme this month, because we've gone through all the colors, is base pages, kits, or make and takes. And I had not really realized I'd done base pages, but I have done this one and I think one other one. And so I don't know if I did any other ones, but this one I did so long ago. And anyhow, I wanted to make these little bears that I had seen in magazines and people on oh, where did I see them? I think I seen them on eBay. And so there were just these cute little teddy bears. And so I thought, well, I'm gonna make one with little clothes on, and I'm gonna make like a boy page, even though I think I made this before I had grandchildren at all. But anyway, I had, boy paper. I did have boy paper left over from Seth, but anyhow, I decided I wanted to make one, and I'll tell you, I put every lumpy thing that I could find on here, I think. I've got a bottle cap that says life is a daring adventure, and it says explore. And then I have that paper that probably many of you have seen. It's got the definition of a boy, a noise with dirt on it. And then I've got, it says boys, and it looks corrugated, and it's got twine going through it. And then I have two little car charms. I have a pocket. I've got one of those little ribbon slides on it, and a piece of leather. And then I had made these tags, and this one says determination, and it kind of looks like sand, and it's got the the same paper on it. And then I have these in the pocket like this. Oh, it's got a frog on it. I've got a couple of cars here. You see he's got on an old t-shirt and old jeans. And I have to tell you, this is really flimsy paper, so I did put another paper on the back of this. And then this is the second page, and again, it's the same papers. And then I was always putting fabrics through the printer, and actually totally destroyed a printer doing that. I'm pretty sure that's what wore it out. But anyhow, I have this quote by Alan Marshall Beck, and it says, boys are found everywhere, on the top of, underneath, inside of, climbing on, swinging from, running around, or jumping to. A boy is with dirt on his face. Oh, it's truth with dirt on his face, beauty with a cut on his finger, wisdom with bubblegum in his hair, and the hope of the future with a frog in his pocket. So I have a frog on here too. And again, I've got the bear with clothes on, and I had these, I don't know if they were stickers or if I cut them out of something. I mean, it's been a long time ago. And then I have the all boy sticker. And anyway, oh, and then the slingshot and some marbles. And did I have any of those on this side? No, I did not. Okay. Okay, so here's what I figured out today. And I can't tell you how easy this was once I figured this out. Okay, when you have to line something, and it's like, okay, I usually just do this. So again, I'm just gonna do that. And I put this on here, and then half the time it sticks out. Okay, and probably everybody knows this but me. Oh, I actually had Brad's on here too. So anyhow, since I cut this, I think 3/16 of an inch smaller. And then I just put this on this side where I could actually see the white, so I didn't overlap it. And oh my gosh, can't believe how much easier that was. Okay, now, since it's been so long since I made this, I don't know which is supposed to be the first page and which is supposed to be the second page, but I'm gonna assume it's this, but it's not gonna really matter because the pictures are the pictures I have. And so I have Aiden, and they're at a place that was called, oh, let me see if I can see it. I can take a little more time because it's gonna be super fast. Okay, it was called Hands-On Children's Museum, and it was in Washington. Okay, so there's a boat here, and he's by this pump, this well pump, and he's got this little, it looks like the front of a digger. And so I'm using that for my horizontal picture. So I just put down the sizes that I was gonna need. And so this one is my 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. But so I just got close to what I could get with that. So that one is gonna go over here. Oh, and I'm gonna slide it right underneath that bottle cap, which I was just amazed that that I could actually slide it underneath there. I thought I was gonna have to just punch out a quarter of a circle. Okay, so he's actually looking off, so it's like when I go to put it in the book, maybe I'll actually put it the other way because these ones are looking the opposite way. So it might be that I just do it because I don't care if the title's over here on the other side. I mean, it does say "Oh boy." In fact, I think I'm just gonna switch it right now. Okay, because then he's looking this way. Even though when I get to the pocket, it's all gonna be different. Okay, and then I had this one picture, I just thought it was so cute because you see his face real good. And, oh, and these were live pictures too, so it's like, it was funny because he was pretty small, he was probably like 2. And anyhow, I did the live thing and you can hear him chat, but you can't really make out what he's saying, but it's just adorable. Whatever he said was adorable. So these ones I'm putting over here, and since this one is shorter, I'm just gonna space it in between the words. And I don't know what it says. It looks like it says Venture, Mud, Adventure. So it probably says Adventure, Mud, Adventure, and it probably just repeats. Okay, and I kind of got it offset. Can I try that again? Okay, let me see if I can get it centered. Okay, that's better. Okay, and then the tags, I'm going to, this one looks more like it's determination. He's stepping on those stepping stones. So I'm putting that one on here. That's basically how I decided this. And then the other ones I figured it didn't matter, but you know what? This one's looking more forward, and this one he's definitely going this way, so I think I'm gonna put that over here because I want the one with the button on the left. And this was hanging in my closet. If you seen my closet cleaning, declutter, I showed you that there was layouts I had made. Oh, I did make one other one. I just didn't actually put them on any paper. And so anyhow, I did do a few layouts without pictures. So they're called base pages. And I didn't know that until I watched Janet. And I didn't actually realize that I had some. You know, sometimes I just wanted to do something and I didn't get to do too many boy layouts, so that was always exciting. have a little mark there. I don't know what that is, but now you're not going to see it. Okay, so I'm just putting these in the back. And this one here, and you don't get to really see him. I mean, maybe when I put this in some of the things I've done, it's like, oh, I did do an Easter one time, and it has, you know, moving parts. So, you know, when I end up putting those in the books, in their albums, I think I might just leave them without a page protector. And I think, you know, hopefully they'll be old enough that they will be gentle on them anyway. So that's it for my rainbow, through the rainbow challenge. And make sure you go over and see Jeanielinguine. And she has a Facebook group. It's called Crafting in the Girl Cave. So you can always find her there. I will put the link down below for all the people that have been playing along with the Through the Rainbow Challenge. And thank you for joining me today. And I will have close-ups at the end. And I will see you tomorrow with who knows what. Have a great day. Bye-bye.